Show them the craftsmanship on that sucker.
It's awesome.
Totally awesome. Look at the wood on this, guys. I bought this in Turkey on a US Air Force deployment. I was in Incirlik. I paid $45 for it. It's a single shot 20 gauge. The boys grew up on this gun, along with some other Huglu shotguns.
It's a great kid shotgun.
Totally. 20 gauge on this one. We're going to show you a more modern rendition of this style of gun. Welcome to the Nut and Fancy Project in-field review on single shot shotguns. So TD grew up on this one, I don't know, how old were you?
Like what, 7 or something?
Yeah.
I love it.
So I'd give him a box of shells and just tuck him over on one side of our shooting range out here in the desert, and he'd be doing what he's doing right now. Shooting and a plucking.
Dude, it's awesome.
Great little shotgun this Huglu is.
Makes you feel like you're in a Western.
So no self-eject on this, you're just gonna have to pluck it. The ejector will raise the shell out. The other one we're gonna show you, the Midland, is the same way. How's that bead sight working for you?
I like it.
It works, right?
The receiver dips down too. So it really does just kind of hone in.
This is hard chromed, guys, and this is Turkish walnut on this $45 shotgun.
Beautiful.
Matte finish bluing, it's chrome lined bore, typical Turkish quality. If you can find one of these, highly recommended. They're awesome. Excellent.
I always hear that Good, the Bad, and the Ugly soundtrack.
Our Evil Roy target is about ready to give up the ghost. Its weld is breaking.
Close. It's only got like 1.5 inches on the bottom when I saw it.
So what would you use a single shot shotgun for?
Mostly fun.
We mentioned one philosophy of use already. Training your kids. Hunting with your kids. I think there's nothing wrong at all. Give them a box of shells.
Totally.
Maybe 10 shells. Say, hey, we're going duck hunting. Make every shot count.
Yeah.
Teach them about leading the duck, pheasant, quail. Heck, you could deer hunt with this thing. Slugs, 20 gauge slugs. Back east. Great deer hunting gun.
And it folds down enough.
Look at that.
Backpackery.
Yeah. So again, we've had this in our inventory forever. You've never seen it. I don't think I've even mentioned it. Just waiting for the right time. Like now. Oh, John Wayne in it. Show them how that breaks open, by the way. It's an interesting thing. It's the front of the trigger guard that will break the Huglu open. That's how you do it. We also have some Huglu over and under shotguns I brought back, and those are awesome as well.
I love those.
They've gone way up in value,
too. You
can
tell that's the one I'm trying because they have the lever on top.
Yeah.
See, I'm trying it again.
Philosophy of use then would be training gun, recreational gun, teaching your kids to shoot gun. Let me come on this side where the wind's not wasting us. Survival gun too. And we're going to show you the Midland here in a second. And that's what they're marketing their shotgun is a overall survival gun. I do have a couple thoughts on that. I think 20 gauge is a great caliber. I think carrying 20 gauge slugs is more doable for weight than carrying maybe 12 gauge slugs. Can't talk because my mouth is so cold from the snowstorm that's coming. Wide variety of shells, wide variety of loads, bird shot, high base rounds, number 4 buck, double odd buck. Again, you can do some slugs, Brennicky slugs. So survival gun, yeah. I don't know if it's my first choice. The ammo's heavy. This is a 20 gauge. But it could be. And there are, as we're going to talk about in the next piece, sub-caliber inserts for pistol rounds.
And if you're in a place where it's not a free location.
Hard to ban a single shot.
Yeah.
Hard to ban it. Now here is the star of the show, not really our Huglu, our 20 gauge Huglu. It's this one right here. And this is a Midland Backpack. That's what they're calling it. It's very similar to the gun you just saw. Also made in Turkey, no doubt. A little bit different. The Huglu is an external hammer, as you saw. This is an internal hammer. It has a dedicated action release lever on the bottom of the receiver. It extracts exactly the same way. It's just going to lift the shell out. It's more modern, of course, so we don't have that really nice hard chrome finish on it. We don't have that beautiful Turkish walnut. Synthetic stock. You have adjustable length of pull back here with spacers that you can adjust. This pops open and you can actually put some stuff in there, maybe some shells, a small survival kit. That's what they're intending it to be. Really nice butt pad on it. Unlike the Huglu, it doesn't have nothing but hard plastic. And I never did put another one on it. So that's gonna be more ergonomic. Full pistol grip, cross bolt safety, matte finish. I think it's just regular bluing. I'm not sure if it's Teflon or something trick like that. Synthetic forearm, bead sight still, and I love bead sights. And this also will have sub-caliber inserts. So what are the calibers, TD?
It looked like mostly pistol calibers.
9mm, 45, 22 rimfire mag, 22 long rifle,
17,
38 special, 357,
45 Colt, 410.
and I was surprised to see they do have a 50 BMG insert for it. That sucker's going to recoil. Of course we're kidding. Looks like that's chrome lined as well inside the backpack. Screw and chokes on this one. We don't have that on the Huglu, so that's an upgrade. Show them that. Comes with a modified screw and choke.
Is it Beretta
And we have another
style?
one here that you probably ought to use if you're going to shoot slugs out of this one. So this is just a Carlson's rifle choke. Beretta Benelli chokes. Put that in if you want maximum accuracy with your slugs. And we were going to test that, but we're so freaking cold right now. We're not going to. But here's the type of load you'd shoot with it. High quality slugs. This is a loaner from Gunny's, the great American gun store. Information below. Go punch White in the shoulder and go buy stuff from them. We are seriously debating whether we will buy this or not.
I know.
It's so freaking cool.
So affordable.
Oh, the price too. It retails for $145.
Yeah.
Around there. Hit it, TD. This is buckshot, I think he's shooting.
Yeah,
Fiocchi
it's
buck.
definitely buckshot.
Yeah.
No, I swapped it out.
Oh no, that was bird.
I don't want to, yeah, I changed it. I don't want to break the weld on it yet.
Oh, okay. He's shooting birdshot out of it now to save the weld on our Evil Roy.
Because I'm a little pussy boy.
Says it's an ambidextrous cheek piece on their synthetic stock. Again, Beretta choke, Benelli choke, compatibility. Has a cocking indicator on it too, supposedly.
Is it?
That's what they're
yeah.
saying. Right there. Tactile and visual cocking indicator. That's kind of cool.
Yeah.
How's it shooting? About like the Huglu?
Yeah.
Maybe we should call this the legal forever shotgun.
Yeah.
When would they ever ban single shot shotguns?
I used to love that one as a kid because I would pretend it was a 40 mil grenade launcher from Vietnam.
Totally.
Like the one he had in T2.
Seems like it's recoiling pretty good for that freaking bird shot.
It's stout,
Here, try
man.
some buck.
Ah.
Pussy. That's not really high power buck there.
Yeah, it's like medium.
That's not bad.
Yeah, it wasn't that different actually.
This is low recoil, low base buckshot. Does it seem like it's hitting on for you?
You got to get real low in that bead.
Do you?
Yeah, real low.
So it has the same type of thing. It's just milled out in the receiver so you can see the bead, right?
Yeah.
The thing about the 12 gauge is if you put this in a survival philosophy of use, the ammo is so freaking heavy.
I know.
So the gun isn't that heavy, but then you load it up with 12 gauge ammo. Now, if you put a subcaliber insert in it like we're talking, that would be an interesting thing. And those are 3-inch rifled inserts, so there will be some accuracy. They shot a 9mm load out of it and they clocked 1084 feet per second.
Yeah, they have, some are smooth bore, some are rifled, depending on the caliber.
Interesting. I didn't know that.
I think the rifled ones, the company calls them Zombie or something like that. There's some gimmicky name for it, but you can get a survival pack that just has like 6 different pistol calibers.
Oh, it comes in a whole package?
You can get them individual or just go, yeah, give me everything. And then you get 9, 380, 45.
Again, the Midland Backpack is the name of this model. We're really liking it though. Nice fireball coming out of that. You would totally buy this, wouldn't you, TD?
Oh yeah.
He's putting buckshot through it now.
Do you want me to keep
Target's holding up for now.
The buck? I can do lower.
No, I like it.
I can use the cheap stuff.
We just spent $2,500 on ammunition. That happens about every other month when we're shooting a lot. We are not sponsored at all. We do love our association with our gun stores. Gunny's a great American gun store. Handgun Haven.
Oh, check that out.
Awesome. Seems like they're plucking out easy.
Yeah.
So notice his rate of fire. I mean, if you have your shells handy, it's not like a semi-auto or a pump, but it's probably faster than you would think.
You can get cooking.
If you're practiced with it.
It's faster to load than a normal pump gun. Because you're just sitting there going plop, plop, plop.
Yep, just putting it in a tube. Just like honeymoon night. That's how flat it folds, really compact. I didn't rust test this. I imagine this would rust. You probably want to keep this part oiled up. It's made of steel, probably just blued.
The rust would only make it look cooler.
But you put some really good lube on it, you'll be good to go. Yeah, it's a cool gun. I wouldn't want to make it into a defensive firearm. Not with just one shot.
Yeah, unless you're kind of backed into it somehow.
Hey, if it's all you got, it would work.
This would be a good one to load up on if you wanted to have a cheap, easy to acquire shotgun option for like neighborhood watch or raw. Even with the survivor kit, because then you could have a couple different calibers.
Not much training you'd have to do with this gun.
And more for food.
Yeah.
If you know, here you go. This is your job. You're gonna work in this.
So again, this is the Midland Backpack line of single shot shotguns. They come in 18.5, 24-inch, and 26-inch barrel lengths. We tested it in 12 gauge, as you saw. I think if you're going to be carrying this anywhere, I would recommend the 20 gauge.
Yeah.
The 20 gauge, just like our Huglu, is what I chose back in the day. It still has a lot of power. The shells are lighter, more compact. You can carry more for the same amount of weight. Looking into the Midland single shot. Does it say where it's made underneath?
I didn't see it.
I think it's Turkey.
Has the importer's mark.
Hold on, I see it. It says Payson, Utah. Made that up.
Midland Backpacker.
How about on the bottom of the receiver?
I was almost assuming China.
Most of these lower priced but still really high quality shotguns are made in Turkey. Whatever. There you go. It's going to get a recommend from the Nut and Fancy Project.
Yeah.
Again, it's going to retail around $145 and it'll street at, I don't know, $115, $125.
Yeah.
If you buy it used, $75. And it's not the only single shot shotgun. And no, I'm not going to review yours that you have already.
The shotgun on the lower end market is plentiful.
Hey, Nut and Fancy, I've got an H&R single shot. Can you review it? Here's my answer. No. We'll review this one. We have it. We like it. It is recommended. The Midland and the Huglu, actually. If you'll find a Huglu single shot shotgun, do not hesitate. Totally excellent. Nothing fancy, tactical doodle. Pressing on, going to do some more shooting with this thing. Hit it.
Oh, forgot the safety. Haha.
Booyah.